One, two, three. Ready? Exercise number 19. If we are to pay our way, comma, we shall have to get new revenue. Full stop. I should like to do what you ask, but I have no power to do so. Full stop. And it will be your duty to check each item we charge. Full stop. I shall go to the automobile show and I may buy a new car. Full stop. Do you wish to renew your fire policy? And it will be due tomorrow. Full stop. I am aware of the value of a shop window on the avenue. Full stop. I will give you a cheap rate for a large room with bath or shower. Full stop. We had a fire and our factory was idle for a month, so we had a poor here. Full stop. I have no wish to argue with you for you. Maybe right in what you say. Full stop. You will rub your eyes when you see our new era car. Full stop. Why are you buying a poor type of oil when you can get a pure oil for your money? And poor oil may damage your car, so it will pay you to buy a purer variety. Full stop.